Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, ambient lighting, and Sport Pkg. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.